What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how you can make over $200 per month on Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So $200 per month is pretty reasonable to hit doing this method, which I'm about to show you. And what is that method? Well, it's self-publishing through Amazon KDP, so you can sell on Amazon.com and on other marketplaces. Now, you're probably thinking, self-publishing, that's great, I don't want to do that. But in this case, we're not self-publishing stories or non-fiction books, we're publishing low and no content books. So what do I actually mean by that? Well, first of all, if you want to do this, you are going to need an Amazon KDP account. This is this right here. It's absolutely free to set up, and you could even have your first book published on the same day. Now, these low and no content books. Let's head on over to Amazon. So this is an example or multiple examples. These are sketchbooks. Now there's lots of different types of books that you can create. You can create journals, planners, sketchbooks, prompt journals, composition books, blank sheet music paper. There's so many different types that you can create, and you can do this all for free. So let's go back down to that sketchbook. So this one just here. To create a cover like this, you're going to need to know how to do that. I do actually cover that in my course, Printing Profits. If you want to check that out, you can go to printingprofits.com with no G. So I've just pulled this one up. Creating the cover is really simple. And then to create the manuscript, the interior for this book is really simple as well. So let's go to a second page. And as you can see, they've just got these little square border edges on the paper, and the rest is blank. So if you're new to this, do you really think that you could create a book like this that has no content? I'm betting you could. Now, to actually create the interior and the cover, you are going to need a couple of tools, but these tools are completely free as well. See, that's the great thing about this business model. You can literally start with nothing, and that's how I started. And in a few more minutes, I'm going to show you my results from actually selling these types of books. Now, if you want to know what tools they are that you need, simply come over to the channel and check out this video just here. How to start a low no content book publishing business with no money. That's going to tell you exactly the tools that you're going to need to start this business. So what type of money can you look to earn with this business? Well, in my opinion, it's definitely a lot more than $200 if you take this seriously. So let's go over to my income. So this is called Get Book Report. I use this tool because it cleans up all my analytics and all my data from my books, and it's only $19 per month, and it's even free to sign up to if you've earned less than 1,000 royalties. So let's change that to USD, and let's go back to historical. And as you can hear, that was actually a royalty, one of my books selling right there. I absolutely love that noise. So this month I've done $2,500, or nearly $2,500, and I now have 2,111 books. Now, I have also been doing this around 8 months. It's not like all of a sudden I made a bunch of books and uploaded them. These are results from consistent daily disciplines. So keep that in mind. But this month I did, like I said, nearly $2,500. Now, if we go to all time, just here. Hold on, let me refresh the page as well. Let that load up for a second. So here in all time, we can see from when I first started that. Okay, that's another royalty coming in. So let that load up for a second. So my first month, I didn't really have many books published, and I only made $2.46. But then straight away, my second month, I made $677, then $599. So literally within 1 month, I was already making over $200 because I took this business very seriously. And then as you can see, in February I made $2,800. This was because I had a Valentine's Day notebook really take off. And then I had some really good sales in March, April, May, and then here in June has been going extremely well as well. I do expect to break my February royalties. Now, if you want to know exactly how I got these results, I lay it all out within Printing Profits. This course lays out step by step everything that I did to get my results and to start earning $1,000 per month within 3 months. You can also get here by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So if you're serious about this business, go and check that out. Or you can just come straight over to the channel, go to home, and then go through the playlist that I have. So this playlist just here has over 100 videos all about low content book publishing. So go and check that out. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.